folks, I have a little Scout ukulele to show you today, and these are the ones I make up just from scrap woods whenever I have the time. And this one turned out really cool. It's got a really beautiful myrtle back and sides, kind of dark green with some walnut binding, and then a roasted hemlock top. And I got a mix of oak and walnut up here for the hardwoods and walnut for the binding, and a little Alaskan yellow cedar neck. So nickel and black appointments on this one. And this one, it's got a low G, which, you know, on a soprano scale is a little bit uncommon, but that's what the customer asked for. And the sustain is super long for a little guy, but the best thing I like about this one is that the sound is really crisp. Yeah, really cool. So this is number 931, and we have a waiting list of people who want to get a Scout uke from me, so you can just email us info@thebeansprout.com if you want to get one of these little scrap wood wonders. And yeah, appreciate your support. Cheers.